National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Lake Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles until 8:15 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 14 nautical miles west of Pine Beach, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Ship Bottom, Barnegat Light Reef, Garden State South Reef, Silverton, Harvey Cedars, Fork River, La Valette, North Beach Haven, Barnegat Light, Garden State North Reef, Seaside Park, Pine Beach, and Beach Haven. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Here is the